I'm Matt with Coastal Compass Travel Company, and today we're going to be taking you to the all-new Sandals Dunn's River Resort in Jamaica. We're going to be taking you on a tour of one of the rooms in the Travertine building, which is the main building and it's just above the lobby. This room will be the Travertine Beachfront club level room with a soaker tub out on the balcony. Here's the view of the room when you come in. Huge king-size bed, a lot of closet space. And you got robes and slippers. There's a safe in there. And then you have a little sitting area with your phone. You can call the concierge. What I like most about these is since they're beachfront, they face directly at the beach. So wherever you are, you're looking straight out into the ocean. That is my favorite type of view to have. Just look straight at the ocean. You got a soaker tub right there, some curtains you can pull if you want some privacy. Now going back in, right here we have the bathroom, and I thought this was cool. They had one of the biggest tubs in this room. And of course you have three different type of heads: the rain head, the regular shower head, and the one that takes off or comes off the wall. A couple of sinks for both of you, and then a private bathroom. And that's the room for you. Now that we've seen the room, I want to let you know about two free services that are totally available to you whether you've booked your room at Sandals or not. So at Coastal Compass, we specialize in the Caribbean. And we know that it can be hard for you to know that you've booked the best experience because there are so many options. So we partner with luxury brands like Royal Caribbean and Sandals, and we can help you navigate that atmosphere and select the best choice for your needs. Just go to cctravelcompany.com and click Contact Us. We'll reach out. Our services are totally free. If you're here because you have already booked your room, we also have another free service for you. It's our free concierge service. If you've booked with Sandals in the last 14 days, you can go to our website, the link below, cctravelcompany.com/free concierge, and I will be your personal concierge. You just name me, Matt, as your personal agent on the reservation. I can reach out and handle all of your travel details if there's a change in flight. I can help you navigate the best resort experience for you. So that is travel tips and hacks on getting through Jamaica to the resort, having the best dining experiences, and selecting the best excursions. So again, that is a totally free service. You can go to my website and contact me and I'll reach out.